Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating common causes fast so you can focus on real faults. Verify integrity of game files through Steam or Epic Games Store. Corrupted data often triggers crash reports. Next, update your GPU drivers and Windows. Drivers fix GPU crash paths, and OS patches fix API bugs. Once done, run the game as administrator and disable overlays or capture tools because they inject DLLs that commonly cause crashes. These steps narrow the problem and prepare you for deeper diagnostics. You now dig into evidence to target the fault. Open Windows Event Viewer and Resident Evil Crash logs and app data to find the faulting module or error code. This tells you whether it's GPU, audio, or a third-party DLL. If it's graphics-related, switch from DX12 to DX11, lower textures, and turn off ray tracing to reduce GPU driver stress. If mods exist, disable them and load a clean save, because mod conflicts are frequent causes of intermittent crashes. You finish by confirming the fix and preparing for recovery. After each adjustment, reproduce the crash so you know which change solved it. Iterative testing isolates the root cause. If crashes persist, perform a clean GPU driver uninstall using then reinstall the latest stable driver and reinstall the game to replace any corrupted files. If nothing works, roll back to a previous driver or use a Windows restore point. This is your key troubleshooting tip to return to a known good state quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.